On this historic, sacred and a very important day in India's history, when we are celebrating Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary all over the country, very enthusiastically, inspiringly and involving a lot of youngsters and people from all educational backgrounds, I wish all the youth of this country and the city and the state study the literature of Swami Vivekananda thoroughly, remove the toxins and the weaknesses from the mind, gain mental balance, emotional balance and spiritual strength. Swamiji said in one place, we do not want good people in India, but we want very strong people in India. Physical strength, respecting the body, removing the poison from the body and using the body for high purposes. The second is the mental strength which he expected, concentration, willpower, discrimination and deep involvement or deep thinking with oneself. Today we know more about others than about one's own mind. That is creating a lot of problems. Students are trained to operate the computer, but they are not trained how to operate the mind. They are trained to operate money, but they are not trained how to operate the emotions. So the mental attitude of the people or the students has to be ingrained with Swamiji's ideas, with pure ideas, with positive ideas. Then immediately as soon as a negative idea comes, he or she will be able to detect the virus in the mind. The third important thing is the moral strength, the character. And unless character or a bundle of habits which are purified or taught to our children, the problems will be going on increasing. 2 zeros on the blackboard does not make a value unless you give number 1 in the front. 1 plus 2 zeros, we call it 100, and keep on adding the zero, there is value, goes on to lakhs and 10 lakhs. Similarly, that one is character, that one is our personal life. We may talk, we may do any good work, anything in the society, but without character, we are suffering from a lot of crimes and corruption in India. So moral habits, application of Vivekananda's teachings, our ancient cultural values in our daily life. It is not just a pastime, it is a part of our daily routine. The fourth is deep spiritual strength to remove the emotions from our heart. Deep prayer, meditation and seva. Swamiji's favorite message on his 150th birth anniversary is serve everybody as God himself. Shivagnane Jiva Seva. He learnt it from his master and he implemented it in his life. Earlier in the scriptures we have mother as God, father as God, teacher as God and the guest as God. But Vivekananda introduced 3 more different concepts for modern man. He says, Daridra Devo Bhava, let the beggar be your God. Murkha Devo Bhava, the illiterate be your God. Rogi Devo Bhava, let the sick man be your God. As much as you go to a temple with flowers, with offerings and pray, similarly can you go to an hospital, can you go to the villages and do the service of man, uplift the divinity in man. So this character combined with feeling, deep thinking and respecting our scriptures will make a lot of difference in our life. So on this great occasion, I wish all the youth a happy birthday because the youth Vivekananda had a lot of faith in the youth. If it is Vivekananda's birthday, it is the birthday of the youth. So participate in this national birthday, next 365 days. Study Swamiji's literature before going out of your house to the school or college or business or profession and see that you rebuild India, not become a participant of the breaking India concept. Enough forces are there to break India today or to disturb our mind. But Swamiji, that is Vivekananda, leads from the front and gives us strength, gives us courage, gives us fearlessness, gives us a real taste of what India really is. INDIA, that was his God. He did not meditate on any mantram or tantram, but he meditated on India as his God. For the first time, a religious person, a sannyasi, is meditating on the country's future. So our duty and our responsibility as youth is to study well with the hope that Mother India will rise to become the great teacher of the world. I wish all the youth the best and make a great beginning of this 150th birth anniversary.